gentlemen, distinguished delegates, a very good morning to all of you. It is indeed a great pleasure to welcome you all in G20's meeting. Thank you all for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, as G20 meeting has a responsibility to drive strong, sustainable, inclusive and resilient growth, and the discussion here today hold the power to transform challenges into opportunities, adversity into resilience, and uncertainty into hope. We will begin this meeting with a special message from our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India's G20's president preparation approach are driven very much by his vision.
नमस्कार साथियों, हमारे सामने पर्यावरण से संबंधित ढेर सारी समस्याएं जिन्हें हमें मिलकर सामना करना है। आज इस महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर हमारी निम्नलिखित चर्चाएं हैं। सस्टेनेबिलिटी लाइफ का अर्थ है सतर्क रहना। सस्टेनेबिलिटी अब एक विकल्प नहीं, आवश्यकता बन चुकी है। इस लाइफस्टाइल का उद्देश्य है लालच को आवश्यकता पर हावी ना होने देना। लाइफ का विचार भारत द्वारा वर्ष 2021 में ग्लासगो में 26वें संयुक्त राष्ट्र जलवायु परिवर्तन सम्मेलन द्वारा पेश किया गया था। यह विचार पर्यावरण के प्रति जागरूक जीवन शैली को बढ़ावा देता है, जो विवेक कहानी और व्यर्थ खपत के बजाय सावधानी से साथ और सुरक्षित उपयोग पर केंद्रित है। पर्यावरण संरक्षण के क्षेत्र में भारत निरंतर प्रयास कर रहा है। भारत की अनेक उपलब्धियों में एक वनावरण में वृद्धि है। भारत का वन क्षेत्र का विस्तार हो रहा है। गैर जीवाश्म ईंधन आधारित स्रोतों में स्थापित विद्युत क्षमता को 40% तक पहुंचाने की भारत की प्रतिबद्धता निर्धारित समय से 9 वर्ष पहले हासिल कर ली गई है। भारत सरकार अक्षय ऊर्जा पर बहुत अधिक ध्यान दे रही है। भारत विश्व की चौथी सबसे बड़ी पवन ऊर्जा क्षमता युक्त देश है। भारत सरकार ने इस और कई अन्य पहल किए हैं।
Hello everyone, I am the Finance Minister from Japan and I am here to talk about the sustainability, a way of living a life. Sustainability ensures a balance between social well-being, environmental care and economical growth. Day by day the climate is dying, the environment is dying. And we need to start making small changes to make a big difference and start living our life very sustainably. Sustainability is embedded in Japanese culture. It is something that we Japanese people are very aware of. We love to take care of everything and hence together we make a sustainable society. There are certain cultural norms in Japan which stops the production of carbon as much as possible and help in the environment overall. Over the years, Japan have changed its image globally by implementing laws on recycling and balancing the Over the years, Japan have changed its image globally by implementing laws on recycling. There is an old school mentality which teaches us to stop wasting as much as we can. We are very aware that we need to use disposable item at least twice. And hence today Japan stands as the 5th largest nation, which is the green gas emitter in the world. And we generate 21% of our electricity from renewable resources. And we need to make sure that this world is something which is a peaceful place for us, the current generation and the future generation. And we need to start making changes from today, from tonight. So switch off those extra lights and fans and start making a change. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished delegate, a very warm good morning to all of you. To ensure sustainable and resilient recovery, Indonesia has embarked upon systematic reform in 4 key areas: health system, disaster resilience system, as well as industry recovery, tourism and investment towards green economy. Indonesia aims to reach net zero emission in forestry and other land use by 2030, which will make a major contribution to India's enhanced NDC target. Land use policies implemented over the past decade are showing results with a strong decrease in deforestation now evident. The government is working to create more space for renewable energy investments in the power system. Energy transition mechanism country platform is being developed as a key institutional and financing mechanism to expand the energy transition. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Finance Minister of Germany and I am here to talk about sustainability. Germany is committed towards its effort to make sustainability a way of living. The German Sustainable Development Strategy is continuously updated and refined. The strategy is based on four core principles: intergenerational equality, equality of life, social concern, and international responsibility. Germany is rapidly improving its renewable energy sources, and signing up for a new Green Deal is a great way to signal to energy suppliers and government alike that they should be investing more in sustainable energy, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectricity. In Germany, we have a well-developed recycling system. Recycling is one of the simplest ways we can make sustainability and interest part of our everyday life. Government has invested significant funds in reducing amount of waste. This includes the famous Green Dot scheme, which has helped cut down on the amount of packaging. Germany even has a way for you to make some money from your green habits. Our country's popular glass recycling system allows one to get a refund on the glass bottle bought at the supermarket. Thank you.